In today's video, I am going to teach you how to study with Notebooklm. Start by opening Notebooklm in your browser. Once you are on the main page, look for the button that says plus create new and click it. This creates a fresh notebook where you can gather your study materials in one place. It helps to name your notebook clearly using the class, unit, or topic you are working on, so you can find it quickly later. Next, you will add the materials you want to study. Click Upload, and then choose the type of source you want to bring in. You can upload PDFs, add a URL from a website, or pull in files from Google Drive. The key is to only include sources that match your current learning goal. If you mix unrelated chapters or topics, your results can feel scattered. For cleaner studying, upload one lecture, one chapter, or one topic at a time, and then expand once you feel confident. After your sources are added, take a look at the right side panel. You will see a section called Studio. This is where Notebooklm offers tools like an audio overview and a video overview. These overviews can help you get a quick understanding of what your sources contain before you dive into details. If you are short on time, this is a useful way to preview the main ideas and identify areas you need to focus on. Now move to the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where the studying becomes interactive. Type a specific question to query your sources. Keep your questions clear and targeted, such as asking for definitions, key arguments, step-by-step explanations, or comparisons between two concepts found in your materials. Specific questions lead to better, more study-friendly answers. When you get a response you want to keep, click the Save to Note icon on that response. This pins the information to your notes board so you can build a personalized study sheet as you go. Save summaries, important terms, and explanations you want to review later. As your notes grow, you can use them to guide revision sessions and keep the most important points in one place. That covers everything you need to know.